The question I left you with in the previous video was, can energy be released without the presence of oxygen? Is that possible? The equation we had looked at was glucose plus oxygen releases energy, while carbon dioxide and water vapor are given out as waste byproducts. So the question is, if we can get this energy without the oxygen, can just glucose produce energy for the human body? And the answer is yes, it's possible. Glucose can be converted to energy without oxygen. This is referred to as an anaerobic respiration. An means without and aero means air. Without air or oxygen. The respiration which requires oxygen is called aerobic respiration. And that's what we have looked at until now. But in this session, we will focus more on what anaerobic respiration is. It's simply the release of energy from glucose without the help of oxygen. And guess what? It's faster than aerobic respiration. So with anaerobic respiration, we don't need oxygen and it's faster as well. Isn't it better than aerobic respiration then? Well, all this comes at a cost. In the process of anaerobic respiration in humans, lactic acid is produced. And excess of it can slowly poison our muscles, which causes cramps. Your muscles start becoming sore and then become less efficient. Humans use anaerobic respiration during a heavy workout or say during a sprint. If you're running really fast, you don't really breathe enough. And because of that, your muscles are not supplied with enough oxygen. That's when your muscles start breathing anaerobically. Another disadvantage of anaerobic respiration is that very little net energy is produced. And that is why humans can stay without oxygen only for a minute or so. So if you run a 100 meters race at your top speed, you will start panting at the end of it as your body demands more oxygen. The energy produced by anaerobic respiration is not enough. But it's not just humans that use anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration also takes place in plants and some microbial cells in the presence of little or no oxygen. This kind of respiration in plant cells and some microorganisms such as yeast produces ethanol and carbon dioxide as opposed to lactic acid. So the glucose releases the energy along with ethanol and carbon dioxide. So though anaerobic respiration works, it cannot be a long-time solution for generating energy in humans. Aerobic respiration is better as it produces more energy than anaerobic respiration. It completely oxidizes glucose to carbon dioxide and water vapor and releases all the available energy from each glucose molecule.